Well, hello, we're back with the doggies. Yeah, hey Wealthy. Super white and cuddly and clean, aren't you? You say clean. She's lovely and white and clean. You are, aren't you, babies? Ready to get dirty in that dirt. So how do you know how dry it is? Well, we've got a lovely blue sunny day, windy day. But look how hazy that is. That's not smog. That's dust. So we're actually currently in a dust storm. It's not too bad. It's just a bit hazy. So the temperature's fairly cool. The sun's been covered a little bit by the dust. It was really bad last night. Couldn't even see the moon. Moon disappeared. We've lost a few peaches, sadly. That big one that we had over here, and one there. You can see what's happening is somebody's been eating the peaches. So something's attacking them, whether it's birds or bugs. But we've still got a couple of nice big ones. There's a nice big peach. It's just so dusty. And those trees over there are hidden. Quite dusty. As I say, it's been worse. This is all the dust from the farms being picked up in the wind. So much in be nice clean. It's got stuff all over him again. Dead grass. Dear me. Dear me. Is you talking about me? You're not talking about me. Right. You could be talking about me. Couldn't be talking about you, could we? Really? We're talking about you. You're pecky little. Yeah, you put her in her place. What was that? That was the pole trying to take off, but there's too much water in it. Very dirty water. This wind is picking up a lot of bugs. There's a lot of moths in it. It needs a good clean. And there's a bug down there. Bugs everywhere at the moment. An interesting looking bug. You don't look like a happy bug. It is actually alive, don't worry. I did move it and it did slowly crawl a little bit. It it was in the full sun. It's crawled into its head into the shade. Wolfie's checking out his fluff that came off the dogs at bath time. A pile of fluff came out of the pipe. So I've extended the pipe just so it goes more into the backyard. And try and give this little patch of grass here some water. Trying to help it a little bit. Use as much water as possible. Bloody bath water. Look at those two. Happy little critters. Young. Gosh, she's going to lose a whole lot of fur out of her rump. And see, it's falling out with all of the playing, starting to come out. See, just on her left hand side is a bit worst bit. So we have to use the blower on her. Doesn't work that way, sweetie. Look at her. Here she comes, baby. She loves playing so much. Her turn to dominate. Good how they take turns. Makes me smile. The hair's coming out. Fluff. She said, "No, that was my fluff." Anyway, see you later, everybody. Have a good day. Have as much fun as what these guys are having. And we'll catch you tomorrow.